Welcome everybody, it's me, Mitch, sitting on an EASWE, EASWE M10 mobility scooter. The company sent me this to see what I thought about it and to review it. I'm not a professional product reviewer, but on my channel, I do reviews of things that I need and that I use in my daily life, primarily as a carnivore. But since my stroke a little less than a year and a half ago,
not good news. Had a stroke about a week ago, and I'm in the rehab facility here in Melbourne, Florida.
I've had a whole new world open up to me of things that can make my life easier. At first, it was wheelchairs and walkers and canes. Now that I've got enough of my balance and strength back to actually walk, the problem I have is I still can't walk long distances. I started receiving offers from companies that provide mobility scooters. So I said, wow, that would be a good idea for me, especially if I could put it in my car. The first scooter I reviewed was a little too heavy for me to lift into the back of my SUV. And when EASWE offered me this one that weighs only 44 pounds, I thought, well, that would be much better for me. So I agreed to have them send me one, and I was going to review it. And here it is, the M10. Now, I just got it. I unboxed it. The unboxing was very, very easy. And let me show you how that went. So I got the thing out of the box. Only a few things to screw on the armrests. Actually, there was no assembly whatsoever required. There's dual batteries. One of the batteries is right there under the seat, and the second one goes under the mat. The seat is just held on by Velcro on both the seat cushion and then the seat back. You get two batteries with this. One of them comes in the box under the seat. The other one is packaged separately and goes under the mat in that space there. So I took the battery that it came with, because I wanted to drive the thing, and moved it up to where the active battery goes. That's it. Simple as that. The batteries come with some charge, so it'll work right out of the box. Put the key in, turn it on. Will this thing move? We'll see. Oh, it works. Right out of the box. How about that? At this stage, I really haven't taken it out yet for a test ride. So I'm dividing this review into two parts. The first part is the unboxing. I'm going to talk about some of the features that I thought were very well done on this. In fact, let me do that now. So here's the dashboard. You get two keys, one to use in and I think one a spare. This knob sets the maximum speed. So turn it all the way down if you're maneuvering in close quarters. An imposing horn, a USB charge port for your cell phone or other device. How handy. Headlight. It's bright at night. The basket, really nice. It's got a soft basket inside of it, removable. On the back of the scooter, there's a yellow lever. This sets and releases the parking brake. There's a charge port built right onto it, so you can charge the battery that's plugged in the front underneath the mat. Both batteries, you just lift them out. The spare battery rides in the back, so you can take it out, stick it in the front if it should run down. And the first thing I want to show you about this is how easily it folds up. And I'll do that for you now. So stand up here. And the first thing we got to do is take the cushions off the seat, and the seat back and the cushions just Velcro on. So we'll put these aside for now and pull the seat cushion off. Whoops. Okay, just leave them here out of the way on the floor. Once you see over here on the side, there's a knob that you just pull out, and then the seat folds down. Easy as that. The basket comes off. You just lift it off and put that aside. What's left, we're going to figure out a way to load in the car. So there's a knob here that you loosen, and then the handle folds down. So it's manageable. Now, if I was a little less handicapped than I am now, there are handles on both sides, which I could just reach down and lift it up. But I don't think I'm capable of that yet. So that hasn't solved the problem for me. On the back here, there's two little wheels sticking out. And supposedly I can lift up the front of this. Now, this is the first time I've tried this. I can lift up the front, get it on the wheels, and the theory is that I can wheel it forward, put the two front wheels up on the bed of my SUV, then go and let it lean up against that, and the other side go around the front, pick it up, and just roll it into the SUV. So we're going to try that, and we'll see what happens. Those are the little wheels that you roll it on. The yellow thing is a brake release. Push it up, you can wheel it. Push it down, it magnetically locks the rear wheels. Well, here we are, ready to head out for our adventure. Got the EASWE M10 scooter in the back, where it'll probably live, so it can go everywhere with me. I don't have a particular use for it here around the house because my mobility is better than some and not as good as others. It's an individual thing how you might use something like this. Are you going to need help getting it in and out of the car? Is it going to be just an aid for you in certain situations? None of us are alike. Each of you would have to decide for yourself how this may be used to expand your world and allow you to do things and go places maybe that you used to do, but now you only dream about. For my situation, this thing means security for me when I venture away from the house. I used to carry a walker with me, but even because of my stroke, my movement was limited, even with the walker, to how much I could do before I got too tired. The mobility scooter has up to 30 miles of range. I doubt I'm going to be moving around that much. Easy to charge it up. The batteries come out of it, so you can leave the thing in the car. There's also a charging plug on the scooter itself in case you want to charge the battery that's in the scooter. You can do it either way. This is pretty much the conclusion of the first part, my unboxing, my first impressions, getting it ready to head out with me. And now we're going to go on an adventure. Going to go to the park where I used to fly my drones. I got a new drone I'm going to take with me. And we're going to get the scooter out of the car, drive it on the grass, drive it on the concrete. I'll give you my impressions of how well it works. Load it back up in the car, maybe even do a drone flight while I'm there. There'll be some links down in the description of this video because I got a 10% discount code. They ship in a few days, warehouses in the United States and everywhere, I think. Been great to deal with so far. I really like the product. I have nothing bad to say about it yet. It's well made, it's light enough to put in the car. It's going to fit exactly what I needed to enrich my life. Stay tuned for part 2, maybe within a week. Subscribe to the channel if you want to get notified when I post the second video. That one is going to be some fun. And we're going to bring this thing out and see just whether it lives up to all the hype. So for now, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. I'm having a ball with it. And as I always say when I end my carnivore videos, and why stop now? Take the rest of the day off and eat meat.